Got this massive Dobbs Ram with the 5.7 liter. The complaint is they have misfire on cylinder 4. So, have it set up already. Let's confirm this. I loaded it all up, but then my battery died just to save some time for you guys. But apparently that didn't help whatsoever because I took out the key. Very smart of me. Alright, well I don't want that. What I really want, just go into the Misfire where I was originally. So they're all at 0, 0, perfect. Alright, let's start it up. Yeah, 4 is unhappy. The 1, don't really worry about that happens, but this number 4, yeah. They're not lying. The codes are the P0153, which I'm not going to worry about that. P0304. That's the one I'm going to worry about. In this 456, I don't know. Well, we're not going to worry about that right now. We're just going to focus on the Misfire. Okay. So we know coming down to this side over here, it's got 2, 4, 6, and 8. All the evens are on this side over here, so we're just gonna get down there. And hey, that's always nice, ain't it? Check that out. It should just pull right out. And that should just come right off. Perfect. So, ooh, oil in the filter. I love that too. Just throw that somewhere for right now. And this just pulls up out of these pegs right here. Excuse me, I need 2 hands. All right, viewer discretion is advised for this next section. If you got a weak stomach or you're vegetarian or whatnot, you might want to look away. What we got? A butterfly in there. It's dead, obviously. Okay, I'll do this side. Let's get down there. So 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 was 1 right here. It's a 10 millimeter, I'm assuming. Looks like a 10, that's what I grabbed. And you were definitely in my way. So, okay, those screws are out in a semi-safe place. That chance that this thing was just going to come right off. No. Okay, so I'm just going to pull these out. Yes, there's 2 spark. Ooh, look at that. That's gross. Well, yep, that'll do it every time. Oh yeah, she's plugged in there. Nasty. All right. Gonna be needing valve cover over here. So I did a little digging. It's not a valve cover gasket because it's the only cylinder that's doing it. So here's the spark plug. So what I figured out was this spark plug wasn't even securely down in there. I was trying to twist it out and it felt like I wasn't grabbing anything, so I decided to go righty-tighty, and then it stopped moving. So he's been driving this with the spark plug not in there. So the gas has been mixing with the oil, everything's been pushing through that cylinder, and it's turned it into tar, essentially, because I can't get it off. Alright, so I got approval to replace everything, so we're going to be adding a new coil pack. I didn't even want to try to clean that one. I'm not familiar with this brand because I just bought it at an auto parts store, so I'm not gonna suggested or anything, but that's what the cylinder looks like. And I got as much as I can cleaned out. I mean, I'm grasping at straws here. I'm trying to clean it all out. So well, we got a new spark plug, and this time we're gonna fully seat it and torque it down to 13 foot-pounds. Yeah, see, I got it clean as I can possibly get it. So let's get the new spark plug out and let's throw that in there. Now, if you know me, I stay with the NGK. So we're just gonna gently put it straight down in there. This AC line is in the way, so you gotta go above it. All right, so there's that. Okay, I don't want to tighten it down yet. I'm gonna go torque that down. I'm gonna add the new coil pack. There we go, nice tight fit, and then the plug will just slide up over top like so. Make sure you go until you hit the click, and we'll put the 10mm bolts back on this one and the one next to it. Okay, it's 8 pounds for those I don't know what they're called, it doesn't matter. Coil boot bolts, there we go. Sorry guys, I'm tired. But yeah, get this all seated. Tuck that out of the way. Put that tube in like so. And then we'll finish this up and we'll see if we got any misfires. So I put it all back together, got another misfire. So, time to do some more investigating. Pull the next one over. That's what I find. Pretty similar to the same. Except that's broken off. So now I gotta get my camera back out and go into that one, which I guess I kind of should have did already. But I didn't. So I'm gonna stand my camera down in there and see what I can see. Alright, pretty dirty in there. Obviously it's wet because it's just been misfiring, so the gas has just been going down into the oil. Problem is, I'm sitting here searching and you can tell, look where it's all been just slapping around on top of there. But I can't find the rest of that spark plug either. So unless it shot out one of the valves, or like I said, I don't know. I'm still looking for it. Haven't given up yet, but he said he has been hearing some ticking. Alright, got that new spark plug in and no more misfires. This is taken care of, thankfully. Sorry it's so loud. So yeah, that's the diagnostics and fixing of this 2008 Dodge Ram. It was a journey. See you guys next time.